to Bharatiya Kala Samskriti's 5th annual cultural event. Similar to last year, due to COVID-19 restrictions, we are continuing the celebration in the digital platform. Bharatiya Kala Samskriti, established in 2016, is a non-profit organization working to promote Indian arts and culture by providing a platform for young talent by conducting music and dance recitals, workshops and lecture demonstrations. Bharatiya Kala Samskriti also sponsors scholarships to talented and deserving students who excel in various Indian art forms. Bharatiya Kala Samskriti also promotes the divine language of Sanskritam in oral and written forms by conducting interactive Sanskritam classes through the Kalashala, which is currently in a virtual mode. Students of our Kalashala and of the gurus associated with Bharatiya Kala Samskriti will be exhibiting a bouquet of talents in music, dance and cultural heritage of Sanskritam language. This year, we have chosen the concept of numbers for our cultural event. Mathematics is one subject that stands above cultural, political, religious and racial differences. The magic of numbers has been captured by people of different culture and regions in multiple ways. Indians have attributed significance to numbers from the very ancient times. Our surviving Sanskrit texts reveal a rich tradition of Indian mathematical discoveries lasting more than 2,500 years. It is believed that the method of expressing every number with a set of 10 symbols emerged in India. Interesting, isn't it? Ancient Indians used numbers in religious ceremonies and rituals as symbols of divinities and their energies. In this year's event, presented as a series of performances, each guru will present the significance of a number from 1 to 12 in our culture. Your presence and blessings are much appreciated by our family of gurus, parents, participants and well-wishers in this journey of exploring Indian art forms. Please subscribe and tune in to our YouTube channel and join us in this celebration. Thank you.
Namaste. Thank you all very much for joining us this year in our annual cultural event to mark the completion of 5 years since Bharatiya Kala Samskriti has been established. It has been a year and a half since the pandemic has hit us, but as you will see, it did not stop our gurus and their students in their journey of learning and enjoying the Indian art forms. For this year's annual cultural event, we have chosen the number concept. As Rani has mentioned, since the time of our ancestors, numbers always had significance in our Indian culture. Music and dance gurus associated with Bharatiya Kala Samskriti have come forward to present the significance of each of these numbers from 1 to 12 very creatively. I am humbled to present to you all their performances on these number concepts as per our Indian culture. Kindly encourage this effort of our gurus and their students by watching their performances and blessing the young artists. On behalf of Bharatiya Kala Samskriti, I would like to thank all the gurus, their participating students and their families, without the support of which this event would not have been possible. I would also like to thank Srimati Rani Ramayar for her introduction about Bharatiya Kala Samskriti and Srimati Uma Gopal Batina for introducing the gurus this year. I would also like to thank Kannan and Shobha for their continued support during the planning phase of all Bharatiya Kala Samskriti's cultural events. I would like to acknowledge my deepest gratitude to the well-wishers of Bharatiya Kala Samskriti, without whose blessings any of these events would not have been possible. Thank you very much once again. Please enjoy the performances. Namaste.
Presenting Guru Srimati Varuni Rao, a Carnatic music vocalist and teacher based in Bengaluru. A passionate enthusiast about Carnatic music, she started her training early at the age of 6 under Vidwan Renuka Das and Vidwan Sangeeta Vidyanidhi Vaidyanathan from Mysore. While her focus is on singing techniques and theory, she feels the most important aspect is to relish the sweetness of music. She will, in her chosen song, guide us through the number 6, presenting Guru Srimati Varuni Rao and her students.
Namaste everybody. My name is Varuni Rao. I am Carnatic music vocalist, currently studying in Bangalore. Today I would like to share a few insights about the significance of number 6 in Carnatic music compositions. I would like to thank Sri Vani Garu of Bharatiya Kala Samskriti for giving me this opportunity to share this with you. The first thing which I remember when I think of number 6 is Lord Subramanya. Lord Subramanya is 6-faced God. So he is called as Shanmukha, Shat plus Mukha, Shanmukha. We also have a raga called Shanmukha Priya, very popular raga in Carnatic music. Sarigama Padani Sa Ni Da Pa Ma Ga Ri Sa. This is the Arohana and Avarohana of Shanmukha Priya raga. This is very popular. Popular kritis are Siddhi Vinayakam Anisham Chintayamyaham Siddhi Vinayakam Anisham Chintayamyaham by Sri Muthuswami Dikshita. We have Marivere Dikke Varaiya Rama Marivere Dikke Varaiya Rama Marivere Dikke Varaiya Rama Mati Mati Kini Delu Bavadena Marivere Dikke Varaiya Rama Mati Mati Kini Delu Babalena Marivere. This is by Patnam Subramanya here. Valli Nayakani Vegatiyani Valli Nayakani Vegatiyani. This is by Harikesh Nallur Muttaya Bhagavatar. Sharavana Bhava Samayamidira Sharavana Bhava Samayamidira Sharavana Bhava Samayamidira Sharavana Bhava Samayamidira Sara Guna Nannu Rovara Sharavana Bhava Samayamidira Sara Guna Nannu Rovara Sharavana Bhava. In raga called Pashupati Priya by Harikesh Nallur Muttaya Bhagavatar. Sharavana Bhava. This is 6-lettered Moola Mantra for Lord Subramanya. There are many songs with this word. Sharavana Bhava Guhane Shanmukhane Daya Parane Sharavana Bhava Guhane. This is also by Papanasham Shivan in Raga Madhyamavati. Sharavana Bhavayanum Tirumandiram Tanai Sada Japiya Nave Om Sharavana Bhavayanum Tirumandiram Tanai Sada Japiya Nave Om Sharavana Bhavayanum Tirumandiram Tanai Sada Japiya Nave. This is also by Papanasham Shivan in Shanmukha Priya Raga. So we have lot of songs on Shanmukha. One I would like to pick up and sing the whole song, that is Shadakshara Om Sharavana Bhava. This is a rare kriti composed by Swami Andavan Pichai in Raga Mohana set to Aditala. Why I took this to sing the whole song is, especially the Charanam, it highlights the relationship between Lord Subramania and number 6, like how all it is matching. Shadadhara Pankajasana Sita. Shadadhara 6, Adhara 6 base. Shadadhara Pankajasana Sita. Pankaja means lotus, like 6 based lotus, he is sitting on it. Shadadvadita Shadbhavarahita. Shadbhavarahita because Parvati didn't hold him in her womb, like he is not come out of any womb. 6 doshas or the Shadbhavas are found in the normal people who born from the womb of a mother, wherein the mother's characteristics, father's characteristics, the nutrition, all would have been contributed a lot for the characteristics of the baby. But Lord Shanmukha, he is not born out of the womb, so he doesn't have any doshas. So Shadbhava Rahita. So the Shadbhava doshas are not there in Shanmukha. Then Shadadvaladita Shadbhava Rahita Shadbala Rupa. So when he was born, he was not only single baby, like 6. There are 6 babies, 6 different ladies, the Kritikes they are said to be. So these 6 ladies raised the boy, basically, the 6 boys. So he is also said as Shanmata Poshita Sutta Shadbala Rupa Shanmata. Shanmata Poshita Sutta. 6 mothers have mothered him. Shatkrida Shobhita. Lord Murga is also called as, like we can find this term like Shatkrida Pataye Namaha. This is one line in one of the important shlokas of Lord Murga. Shatkrida Shobhita Shatkona Nilaya. Shatkona, Kona is corner, like 6 corner. He is representing the star. This is what I wanted to highlight. You can listen the whole song now. Kataksha षडाक्षर ॐ शरवण भव परिपालय मां प्रभो षण्मुख षडाक्षर षडाधार पङ्कजासनास्थित षडाधार पङ्कजासनास्थित षडाद्वादीत षड्भावरहित षडाधार पङ्कजासनास्थित षडाद्वादीत षड्भावरहित षड्बालरूप षण्माता पोषित सुत षड्बालरूप षण्माता पोषित सुत षट्क्रीडा शोभित षट्कोणनिलय षड्बालरूप षण्माता पोषित सुत षट्क्रीडा शोभित षट्कोणनिलय षडाक्षर ॐ शरवण भव परिपालय मां प्रभो षण्मुख षडाक्षर Carnatic classical music is deeply connected to spirituality. India being the land of seekers, finding the ultimate truth, longing for the mergence with the Creator, developing the practices, the methods, sadhana, to overcome the sufferings and the illusion. This has been the theme. We can find these kind of expressions in the compositions of great composers. Great composers have expressed their devotion on the Lord, praising of the Lord, and even some statements related to Gnana Yoga, like Vedantic, philosophy-based songs also we can find. Shat Sampatti. Shat Sampatti is considered a form of mental training for a yogi to develop mental control and discipline. Shat Sampatti literally means Shat, 6 Sampatti, Sampatti, wealth, 6 wealth or 6 virtues. So these 6 virtues, Shat Sampatti is one of the 4 pillars of Sadhana Chatushtya, which is a sequence of practice outlined in Vedanta or Gnana Yoga. So now let us see what are these 6 virtues. They are Shama, or the ability to be calm and keep a peace of mind. Dhamma, or the ability to control the senses and therefore reactions to external stimuli. Uparati, or renouncing anything that doesn't fit your dharma. Titiksha, or persevering through suffering. Shraddha, or trusting and having faith in the path of Gnana Yoga. Samadhana, or total concentration and focus of mind. In popular composition of Tyagaraja Sadhinchane, which is one of the Pancharatna Kritis, in Charana Shesham we can find the words Dhamma Shama. Dhamma Shamadi Sukadaya Kudagu Shri Tyagaraja Mutudu Enta Rakkane. Tyagaraja Swami has praised the Lord enthusiastically, whole the song. And in Charanam he has told Lord Rama that, Lord Rama, you patiently waited and accepted my worship. You asked me not to be angry. You taught me what is satsang. You taught me to be patient in the face of adversity. You gave all the virtues of controlling the senses and meditating peacefully. You gave all the virtues. Hear what it is like. Dhamma Samadhi, these are the Shat Sampatis, the virtues, 6 virtues. So, including these, Dhamma Shama, like all of the rest of the Shat Sampatis you have already given me. Despite all this, you are yet to come to this worshipper. Sadbhala Kula Nadatali Kanane Amarika Gana Puja Konane Alugavadanane Vimukula To ಕುಮನನೆ ವೆತಗಲ್ಗಿತೆ ತಾಡು ಕೊಮ್ಮನನೆ ದವಶಮಾದಿ ಸುಖದಾಯ ಕೂಟಗೋಷ್ಠಿ ತ್ಯಾಗರಾಜನು ತುಡು ಚಂತ ರಾಕಾನೆ ಸಾಧಿಂಚನೆ ಓ ಮನಸ ಸಾಧಿಂಚನೆ. Vargas: Kama, lust or desire; Krodha, anger; Lobha, greed, wanting more and more without any satisfaction; Moha, delusion. Delusion is what? When one starts irrationally believing that what he desires is a necessary factor. Mada, arrogance or pride. Arrogance or pride stems out of ego or the false identity, jealousy or envy. According to Hindu scriptures, these enemies bind the soul into cycle of birth and death and confines it to material world or relative existence or Maya. Many composers have spoken about the struggle which one goes through to fight against this Maya and find the truth. Sri Purandara Dasaru has composed a composition Ambiga Naninnambide, where he indirectly indicates the 6 enemies. ಅಂಬಿಗನ ನಿನ್ನ ನಂಬಿದೆ ಜಗದಂಬರಮಣನ ನಂಬಿದೆ. ಅಂಬಿಗನ ನಿನ್ನ ನಂಬಿದೆ ಜಗದಂಬರಮಣನ ನಂಬಿದೆ. ಆರು ತೆರೆಯ ನೋಡಂಬಿಗ ಅದು ಮೀರಿ ಬರುತ್ತಲಿದೆ ಅಂಬಿಗ. ಆರು ತೆರೆಯ ನೋಡಂಬಿಗ ಅದು ಮೀರಿ ಬರುತ್ತಲಿದೆ ಅಂಬಿಗ. ಯಾರಿಂದಲಾಗದು ಅಂಬಿಗ, ಯಾರಿಂದಲಾಗದು ಅಂಬಿಗ, ಅದ ನಿವಾರಿಸಿ ದಾಟಿಸೋ ಅಂಬಿಗ. ಯಾರಿಂದಲಾಗದು ಅಂಬಿಗ, ಅದ ನಿವಾರಿಸಿ ದಾಟಿಸೋ ಅಂಬಿಗ. In this song, Sri Purandara Dasaru sees the Lord as the boatsman, and he is he's trying to cross the river of life, but there are so many struggles. The high waves are coming upon the boat itself, and the boat has so many holes, and whirlpools are there. So all these are intimidating for him. He's afraid, and he's surrendering to Lord Purandara Vithala to help him out to cross the river of life. So in that Aru Teriya Nodambiga, Aru 6, Tere means ale, wave, Nodambiga, like, hey boatsman, please see the 6 waves which are coming and trying to sink this boat. So this is kind of indirect indication of the 6 Arishadvargas, which one has to face and cross it if one wants to reach the Lord's kingdom. Bhadrasura Ramadasu Swami also have composed many songs, and out of which one I would like to pick up Bhalira Vairagyamanto, wherein he mentions about Arishadvarga. That is in Raga Kalavati. I'll be singing that. Before that, I would like to say, apart from whatever has been spoken, there are many concepts around number 6. Shadrasas, or 6 tastes. For 6 rutus, for 6 seasons, we have different ragas in Hindustani study, and there are many more. Due to the limitation of time and my knowledge, I would like to end this session with the song Bhalira Vairagyamanto in Raga Kalavati, set to Aditala. Hope you enjoy this, and thank you for watching. Namaste. బలిరా వైరాగ్యమెంతో బాగైయున్నది బలిరా వైరాగ్యమెంతో బాగైయున్నది చంచలమైన నా మనసు నిశ్చలమై ఉన్నది చంచలమైన నా మనసు నిశ్చలమై ఉన్నది బలిరా వైరాగ్యమెంతో వాగైయున్నది అరిషడ్వర్గములు నంటకున్నవి అరిషడ్వర్గములు నంటకున్నవి శ్రీ హరినామ స్మరణ జిహ్వకు అనువయి ఉన్నది హరినామ స్మరణ జిహ్వకు అనువయి ఉన్నది బలిరా వైరాగ్యమెంతో బాగైయున్నది భువి భద్రాద్రి సునందే గురువైయున్నది భువి భద్రాద్రి సునందే గురువైయున్నది ఇప్పు తరమరలే కారమా దాసుడనడగియున్నది దరమరలే కారమా దాసుడనడగియున్నది బలిరా వైరాగ్యమెంతో బాగైయున్నది చంచలమైన నా మనసు నిశ్చలమై ఉన్నది చంచలమైన నా మనసు నిశ్చలమై ఉన్నది బలిరా వైరాగ్యమెంతో బలిరా వైరాగ్యమెంతో